In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake hoses in this BMW X5. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. I'm going to use a hood prop and we're going to compress the brake pedal. And we're just going to have this up against the seat. It's going to stay compressed. What that is going to do is prevent brake fluid from dripping out once we take the hose off. It's going to drip a little bit, but it's not going to continually flow. It's like there's a valve shut at the master cylinder preventing more brake fluid from coming out. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take these lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Then grab the wheel and pull it off. We're going to take this clip off, just pull this down, and that will slide off. You can take the grommet out of this bracket here, pull that aside. Now we're going to use a 11mm line wrench. You want to loosen this up. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. You might lose a little bit of fluid. Once you get it moving good, then you can switch to a regular 11mm wrench. Right, that's loose. That's separate from the hose. Give the hose a wiggle, try to get that up. Just gonna move the line out of the way. Then I'm gonna use a punch and we'll just hit it out of the bracket with a hammer. And just get that free, pop that out. And on the caliper, we're going to use a 14mm line wrench. Take the line off the caliper. Once you break it free, you should be able to do it by hand. If there's some dirt and debris in there, you might want to blow it off with a blowgun. Unscrew that. There we go. You're going to lose some fluid. Make sure you have your drain bucket. And it comes right out. Take the new hose, get this lined up, get it started. Snug that down. And now torque this to 17 foot-pounds. That's good. Now take the top part of the hose. You're going to go through the bracket and get the line lined up. Get the fitting started. There we go. And start tightening it up. Snug that down. And we're going to torque this to 10 foot-pounds. Take the grommet, line that up in the bracket, just push that in, and take this clip, slide that in. There you go. We're going to remove the hood prop from the brake pedal. We're going to remove the cowl cover. There's wing nuts. You just have to twist these. There's one in the middle there, on the other side. You can grab the cowl cover and just pull it up out of the way. Take the cap off. And we're going to top this off. Fill it up to the max line. There you go. Give it a wiggle. It's right up to that line. Take the cap and put the cap on. Now we're going to gravity bleed the brake system first. Just pop this bleeder cap off, use a 11mm wrench, loosen up the bleeder, have a drain bucket underneath. There we go, fluid's coming out already. You can see some air bubbles, so let that go until it comes out a steady stream. It might take a couple minutes. All right, I don't see any more air bubbles. We're gonna close this up, snug that down. You want to pump the brake pedal, see how it feels. If it still feels squishy, then you're going to do a brake bleed procedure. Now put the cap on. I'll just use some brake parts cleaner. Just clean up any residue. And up top, if there was any residual, I'll put the cowl cover on. Get this lined up, take all the wing nuts, push those in, and twist those to lock those down. Some of these are broken, so they're not locking down. Hopefully yours are okay. Now install the wheel. Get that lined up and get the lug bolt started. And get the rest of them started. And snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 111 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. And you're good to go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed the brakes on your BMW X5. We're going to remove the cowl cover. There's wing nuts. You just have to twist these. There's one in the middle there. On the other side. And you can grab the cowl cover. Just pull it up, out of the way. Take a clean rag. You want to wipe the cap off. And unscrew the cap. Set that aside. I'm going to use a fluid extraction pump and remove as much of the old brake fluid as possible. Just get as much as you can out. And you want to check the reservoir and see what type of fluid. This vehicle requires .4 fluid, so using a fresh bottle of .4 fluid, I'm going to pour it in and just fill it up to the max line. Now with the vehicle raised up and all four wheels off, we have an assistant in the vehicle that's going to pump the brake pedal. We're on the right rear caliper. After this right rear, we're going to the left rear. After that, right front, and then finally left front. Using a 11mm wrench, I'm going to pop the cap off the bleeder screw. Put this on the bleeder screw. You can have a drain bucket underneath to catch any fluid. We're going to use a hose. It's a little bit cleaner. Then we're going to have the assistant pump the brake pedal. Go ahead and pump. And then hold. Now we'll open this. You can see brake fluid coming out, no bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead and pump the pedal 3 times, slow. And holding, open the bleeder. Again, good clean fluid, no bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it 3 times slow. And hold it. Open it up. Close it up. How does it feel? Oh, pedal feels good. We're going to stop on this wheel at this time. Take the hose off. Take the wrench off. Make sure that's snug first. This wire goes through here. Put this wire through here. Put the cap on. You're going to repeat the same procedure on the left rear wheel. After that, you want to top off the fluid. Take the cap off. And we're going to top this off. Fill it up to the max line. There you go. Give it a wiggle. It's right up to that line. Take the cap and put the cap on. Now we're going to move on to the right front wheel. We're going to pop the cap off. Use the 11mm wrench. And put the hose on. Have the assistant pump the pedal. Go ahead, pump 3 times slow. And hold it. Open the bleeder screw. Nice clean fluid coming out. Close it up. No air bubbles. Go ahead, pump slow. And hold it. Open it up. Close it up again. No bubbles. Go ahead, pump the pedal 3 times and hold it. Open it up. Now it looks good. Close that up again. Take the hose off. Just make sure that is snug. And put the cap back on. And you want to continue on, do the same procedure on the left front wheel. Now we're just going to top this off, take the cap off. Pull that to the side. And use the appropriate brake fluid. Just make sure it's up to that fill line. Right there. And put the cap on. I'll put the cowl cover on. This lined up. Take all the wing nuts, push those in, and twist those to lock those down. Some of these are broken, so they're not locking down. Hopefully yours are okay. After you're done, you want to pump the brake pedal, make sure it feels firm. If it does not and it sinks, then you want to repeat the procedure from the beginning and bleed all the brakes again. Then you're going to install your wheels and torque those to factory specs, which is 111 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.